And again, this was the minor of b. And remember, too, that b was a negative here, okay, not a plus. The other two were positive. And this was the minor of c. So let's look at this determinant. Determinant of 1, 3, negative 2, 2, 0, 3, 1, 2, 3. So we want to take the determinant of this 3 by 3 matrix. So I'll just start right here. So this is a 1. I don't have to write that 1 down if I don't want to, but just to be to be clear here. 1 times, now what's the minor? So 0, 3, and then 2, 3. Can everyone see where that comes from? If you cover up the row and the column that the 1 is in, that's what's left. I think it might work better with some skinnier pencil. What's the next thing I write? From our definition, our rule, or our formula, what's next? Minus 3, because I'm minusing this middle term here. So minus 3 times, yeah, so if I cover up the top row and this middle one, what's left? 2, 3, 1, 3. Everybody okay with that? Anybody have any questions about how to calculate these minors or how to see them? And then what's the last thing? Plus a negative 2 times, what's the minor for that negative 2 element? 2, 0, 1, 2. Okay, good. Now we actually have to calculate each one of these determinants. So what is this determinant? 0 times 3 is 0, minus a 6. Now I'm taking a little precaution and putting this in parentheses, and you'll see why in a few minutes. Then I have a minus 3 times, what's the determinant of this? 6 minus 3. And I can go ahead and write this as minus 2 if I want, plus a negative 2, the minus 2. And then what's the determinant of this one? 2 times 2 is 4, minus 0. Everybody okay? So now this is a negative 6 minus a 3 times, what's 6 minus 3? Just a positive 3, minus a 2 times 4 minus 0 is 4. Now I want to go ahead and do my multiplication, order of operations. So I still have a negative 6, but I have a negative 3 times a positive 3 is a negative 9. And then a negative 2 times a 4 is a negative 8. And all these have the same sign, so I can just add them up. This is 17, 23. Negative 23. So again, the determinant was just a number. Okay? It's not going to be a point or another determinant. We can actually calculate this down all the way to one number. Any questions?